Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the system navigation on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here you need to scroll down and find the gestures. Tap on it and tap on system navigation. So we've got two options. Currently we've got the 3-button navigation. So obviously if you would like to set this option, just tap on it and your device will immediately show you 3-button navigation. You can tap on this settings icon and you can reorder the buttons. So you can just reorder the back button and the recents. It's up to you which option you prefer. And you can also manage circle to search that is associated with the home button. If you wish to set the gesture navigation, just tap on this option here, and instead of the 3 buttons you've got this line that is responsible for specific gestures. You can tap on the settings icon, and here we've got more options to customize. So first of all, swipe for assistant, so from a bottom corner, you've got the back gesture sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. And here, navigation bar, basically you can hide this line. However, now this option is locked. It is because we've got the circle to search turned on. So if you wish to hide the this line, which is let's say a home button that allows us to use circle to search, you need to turn this option off, go to the settings again and mark hide option, and your device will hide this line. But obviously it's completely up to you. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you need to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this arrow, release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. You can also quickly swipe between the apps just by swiping your finger at the bottom of the screen, from the left to right or right to left, just like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.